Hello everyone, welcome back to Automation Engineer channel. Today I will start new series of WinCC Unified version 17 with part 1 overview and the first project. Okay, let's go. Firstly, I will create a new project here. Name a WinCC Unified and we'll select the path. And create. Okay, I will add new device. PC system here, PC general and PC station. Come to device view here. Open the hardware catalog. And we come to the Simatic SMI application here. And we select the Simatic WinCC Unified PC here. And right here. Next step, we come back to hardware catalog again. Expand the communication module here. Profinet Ethernet. And select the Ethernet communication module named IE General. Next step, I will configure the IP address of Ethernet module. Click on the Ethernet General here and come to the property. We come to the Profinet interface Ethernet address here. We set the IP address same as this computer IP address. We come to here. Okay, this is the IP address of this computer. Next, I will show you the running setting. Running setting here. We double click on the running setting. And we can see some property here. First is the general. In this part, we can change the password. The password for the downloading. We can select the start screen and select the type of screen here. The type of screen, it can be bright style, dark style and extended style. Next is alarm. We can set in for the normal, for incoming or outgoing, incoming or acknowledge, incoming or acknowledge or outgoing, incoming or outgoing, acknowledge, and the final is remove. Next is service. If we use the OPC read write and supply, that's the OPC UA server. I will talk later. Next is language and font. We can add more name language and font for our application. Next is collaboration. For this part, I will talk later. Next, storage system. This is important setting. This is the database storage setting. For the database type, we can select the Microsoft SQL. This is the SQL normal. And for the WinCC Unified, we have one SQL. That's the SQL line. For the database location, the storage medium, we can select the project folder local or off. For the main database location, we also the same option here. And the database location for alarm logging, we also have the same. Next is text setting. This is simple setting for the text name character. For example, some special character. Next is GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice. I will talk this later. Next is user administration. This is the setting allow us to select one in two type of user. The first is local, and the second is UMC. For this part, I will have the video to show you later. One more important thing is about the connection. We come to connection here. We double click, and we double click here to add a new connection. And in the communication driver, you can see we can connect to many PLC brand here: Allen Bradley, Mitsubishi, Omron, and of course Siemens. Okay, that's the overview. Now we come to our first project. We come to screen here, and I will add new screen. The name is screen 1. I will go around with some object here. This is the object. First is a basic object. We have fly, polyline, polygon, ellipse, and we also have the text box here, graphic view. And next is element. We have IO field, we have symbolic IO field, button, checkbox, bar, slider, go. And for the control, we have some object here: alarm control, train comparison, train control, video player, many things here. And my control, we have plan overview, report. For the graphic here, we have a lot of things here. For accessory, we have like flank blower, cabinet, gear, heating boiler, mixer, motors, pipes, pumps, sensor, signals. We have tank valve here. We have also have for the automation, blower, conveyor, flow meter here, a lot. Okay, that's the graphic, and the final one is dynamic widget with tennis accessory animation here. You can make an animation blower. Okay, that's the overview of the toolbox. Now for first project here, I will add one slider and one row in the element list. one slider here. Okay, and one goal. And I add one train control in control list. Okay. Next, we need to create one text for controlling. We come to the Simatic. Default text table. Create new text name. Temperature T1101. The data type is integer and the connection is internal text. We come back to screen 1. We double click on the slider object here, come to property, jump to the general, process value, we come to the column dynamization. We select the text here and let the text be T1101. Next, select the goal here and put the text E1101. T1101 here. For the train, we come to the general train area, zero train area. We roll down, come trains, zero train. We come to the data source Y. We let the source here. T1101. We come to we come to the light color. We select the red. And the light white here, we will put 2. Okay. Next, I will add the export data button into the train. We come here. And we come to the toolbar, element. We come to the button 21, export. Expand it. We come to visibility here, and we tick on it. You can see the button export here. Text here. Okay. Next, we need to add the user that can access to the application. We come to security setting. Security setting. here, come to user and roles, and we create a user here, name, add new local user, name AE, the password, okay. And for this user, we need to assign the role here. We'll assign the role SMI administrator. We save the project. We come back to the SMI at runtime, and we click on the compile. Oh, we have two errors here. The enter password confirmation does not match the password. Okay, we come back to here. Okay, I will select another password. Okay, save project, compile. Okay, so we know the problem here. We need to untick on activate encrypted transfer here. Okay, now we start simulation. Full download, start runtime, keep it current. Okay, I will select the reset to start value here, reset log, reset on, transfer, no, reload. Okay, so it's done. Next, we open the Simatic Runtime Manager. Wait for it update. Okay, this is our project now. In the project list, we have the AE WinCC Unified here, and the computer name or the IP address is localhost. Now we come to web browser. I use Google Chrome. We type here https localhost. Okay, we enter. We select the WinCC Unified runtime. The username and password. I put the automation E and the password. Change the language. Sign. Okay. This is our runtime. I will modify the temperature here. We increase, and you can see we increase the slider here, and the value on the wall also change. Increase more, and you can see the trend of the temperature change on the trend. And do some. Okay. Wait for it. Okay, I will test the button export here. Train control 1. Format here. Select the format. Okay. Okay. It will export one Excel file here. We will open. And this is the data. You can see this is the time, and this is the temperature value. Okay, that's done for the part 1 of the series WinCC Unified version 17. See you in the next video.